First snowstorm of the year. It happens to be a friggin' snow blizzard. Finally got out of the driveway without using the four-wheel drive. Now let's see how far I can get on the street without using the four-wheel drive. We're moving, slowly but surely. Come on, baby. Come on. Huh. Okay, time for four-wheel drive. Lock. Lock. Oh, no wonder I wasn't moving. And now we should get out of here, no problem. 4 high. Just like that. Can't see shit. So let's try it again without the four-wheel drive. So you gotta press the clutch. Okay, now the four-wheel drive's off. Now you gotta back up 10 feet. That is as if you don't. Alright. Oh, there's a lot of snow here. He's got a meat machine, a brand new Ford. So far so good. As long as I don't stop, I shouldn't get stuck.